Hello YouTube, welcome to a new video. I know I haven't uploaded in forever, but this is gonna be a quickie. It's probably not gonna be a long video as always, but it's not gonna be long at all. Well, based on the description, you probably already knew what we're gonna do. Today we are gonna try to reverse CrackMe. What we're gonna do is go to here. Yes, this is also Linux. It's Ubuntu, and I've been using Linux for a while. So far, no issues. They were like, huh? You use Linux? Yes, I use Linux. I did use Arch, but so far since I've been using Ubuntu, it's been working good for me. It looks nice. Today we're going to crack this because it's password protected, and when we crack, it's going to see access granted. It's just a simple beginner's crack me that I made my own. It's not nothing advanced or none of those you see on crackme.io. It's just a simple crack me. See? Access denied. Access denied. I think the password is subscribe, I think. Yes. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe too. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like either. Well, we are going to use the tool Ghidra or Ghidra. Open up. Close. Remove this old one. When I first did this, it was a little tricky because I was still learning. This is my first time reversing something. Gonna drag and drop this. GCC. Okay. This is me still learning. I'm still pretty new at this. Double click. Yes. When you ask for analysis, what I like to do is probably not recommended, but I just do it because other people does it, I guess. I don't know. You want to make sure decompiler parameter ID is checked. You keep everything at default. Apply, analyze. Okay, analyzed. First, we're going to need to look through the source code. But basically, what you're looking at is others. It's like basically source code. You want to scroll up until you find terms like check password, product keys, anything that a developer would add if they was making a program with a key. They could say submit product key. Let's see what else. Enter password, like key shortcuts. But what you want to look for is like advanced. Oh, get past part one, like terms like this. Get password part one. Huh, I already found it. It's right here. That's one part of the password. So if we go to here, sub, yeah, I already know the password. It's just a video on how I use this tool to reverse it. I could probably just find one on the internet and do the same stuff as this. Part one, and keep scrolling up till we find the part two version. Part two. Um, wait, I got an idea. Let's go to here. Let's go to Windows. Simple. No, that's not what we need. Close. Symbol tree. Let's close that. Let's reopen a symbol tree. This is where you could find the good stuff sometimes. Sometimes you can find the good stuff in here. Look through this. You want to find terms like check password, import password, apply password. Just like simple terms that you can find in source code if you ever made a program. Like tell yourself, if I made a program And now let's say a developer made a program and they're like, huh, let's add get password. Let's add check password, or let's add submit password. Let's add submit product ID, or let's add enter user password. All that good stuff. So we can do is check password. Wait, what's this? I just like to double click this. Minimize. Check password. Oh, here we go. You want to look for something like this. What you can do is, you can also double click it right from here, but I like to do is I like to hover over it. And I like to, gross. Just gotta find sub. But it's easier if you just double click it. And there it is. That's the first password of it. Sub. And if your key binds are different, I like to just go to here, symbol trees, and I like to go to get password 2. There it is, SCR, SCR. I hope y'all can see that. SCR. Same thing we did, just do it for each steps. This is just a beginner's one. I made this one. I made it so I could do it. It's just me learning something new. I like to record videos of me learning something new. Third, IBE, right there. IBE. Access granted. In reality, if you're really, really good, you could probably just remove the password completely and just press enter and run it. You just bypass it completely. But I did it this way just to find the password, and yeah, I did it that way. And I got the password, access granted. But if you was really good, you can probably do a lot more than just do this simple crowd, because this is beginner's type. What this is your beginner's work. Well, that's how I reverse this program, and I can also show you the source code. If you're interested in testing this yourself, making this yourself, you can just go to, I can show you the source code. Let's do nano CrackMe.cpp. Because it's just using just 2 of them. Include iostream, include string, or iostream. See what we just find, get password. See right here, string get password. Get password. You can just either just change it, put like password get 1 or password get 2 or part password 2, part password 1. It's just a simple program that I made. We've got everything so far done. This is here. Let me just show y'all the source code. It is dash include. I'm gonna let y'all have time to copy it. You can pause at any time. Now you gotta do Control X, and you all you have to do is find. If you're on Linux, it's different. All you gotta do is, where's it at? Where's that? There's a specific GCC command you have to run to use it. I recognize when I see it. I just gotta hope I find it. Well, I can't find it. I'm wasting time. Huh? It's a simple video. It's just something, just me simply analyzing and reversing a password. Since we know the password now, we can just write down a piece of paper. That's what this password was. So we just do cd desktop.sh CrackMe. Uh-oh. Oh, oops. I don't know if it's me or I can't spell. Well, y'all know what the password is. Don't judge my spelling. I'm just making videos. Well, if you enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions about an upcoming video, just comment down in the latest video and I should respond to it. Well, thanks for those that watched, and I hope you have a good day, and I'm out. Peace.